First tonight, traffic problems caused a mess last year during the Garth Brooks concerts at Thunder Ridge Nature Arena in Taney County.
A sales tax increase at Big Cedar Properties is helping the venue address the issues by widening Highway 86 and expanding parking areas.
But now it's neighbors who are upset. Color 10's Sydney Moran is live in Ridgedale tonight explaining their frustrations.
Neighbors say that construction is invading their property and they're struggling to find out what exactly is happening.
Our piece of heaven.
Brenda Kodrick says her home off of Oakview Drive is her sanctuary.
We sit at this window, watch the chipmunks, the squirrels, the birds.
But the sounds of construction and even the smell of smoke disrupted her peace.
We came back a week ago, Monday on the 15th. To our total surprise, the residential lots directly across the street from us were being bulldozed, just decimated.
Kodrick called Taney County Planning and Zoning along with the Department of Natural Resources to figure out what was happening.
2 days ago, we received a call from a realtor saying he represented Mr. Morris and he wanted to buy our house. He said Mr. Morris does not like homes around his projects.
One confirmed project is the expansion of Highway 86, the road leading concert goers to Thunder Ridge Nature Arena in Ridgedale. The highway is only 2 lanes, causing standstill traffic for hours, leaving people unable to attend the concert, which made the need for a bigger highway more pressing.
We've seen a lot of trees cut down along the side of the road to make that a 4-lane.
Now Kodrick and others are worried Big Cedar will expand into their neighborhood.
We're watching every day for notices of any kind of a zoning change.
There's a lot of parking lots down 86 with this new amphitheater, and nobody's telling us anything about really what that is.
Keith Tucker has had his vacation home on Oakview Drive for 15 years.
He just retired down here.
Tucker and Kodrick want answers to what changes are going on in their neighborhood.
Somebody's making money and it's not me.
The unknown is very fearful for us.
Taney County Planning and Zoning says the plot is owned by an entity affiliated with Johnny Morris. As of right now, all they can do is clear the land. If they want to build on it, they will need additional permits. Reporting in Ridgedale, Sydney Moran, Ozarks First.